Hi everyone and welcome to RollerSkillz. My name is Danielle Lockwood and I'm a professional roller skater, creator and coach. Today I'm going to be teaching you the backwards lunge stop. This does require you to have toe stops. Even if you're only just starting to learn how to skate backwards, it's still so beneficial to learn how to also stop. There's not always going to be walls there to help you stop, so it's really important that you start to depend on yourself, on your wheels. When you're skating backwards, please just be aware of your surroundings. You might want to take a little look over your shoulder, just every now and then, little glances to make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Before we do anything whatsoever, I need you to do an exercise for me. So you're going to want to find a wall. You're going to be in your home base position. Now face the wall for me, keeping those knees bent, and just give yourself a little push and try to stay rolling in a straight line. Now this may sound easier than it actually is, but give it a go for yourself. If you're veering off to one side, which is totally normal, just figure out which way it is and press into the opposite pressure points in your feet to counterbalance the direction you're going towards. Now you're going to try the same, but we're going to split once you're comfortable in that home base position, so you're riding it a stagger. Just a reminder that with our stagger position, you are making sure that you're on your train tracks, your toes are pointing in the same direction. Very important. Let's bank what we've just learned for a second, and we're going to do some drag. So come to your wall again. You're going to pop your weight on a supporting leg, and then you're going to come up onto your tripod. Your tripod is your toe stop and your two front wheels. Bend that supporting leg for me, find your tripod and push away from yourself. If you get it right, there should be a sound to it. It sounds like this. And it should feel silky smooth. Combining all of those together, we have our push in home base, we split into a stagger. We're now going to go into that drag position. So you're going to slowly lift that back heel and you're going to ride for just a little split second in that drag. So we need to think of this stop as being gradual. We have our home base, our split, the drag, and to finish we're going to bend even lower into it and put pressure into the toe stop to finish. Once you're comfortable with it at the wall, you can then start to do a little backward skate. Always join in parallel first, then split, then come into your drag, then finish. So there's a lot of steps, there's a lot of things to think about, but I know you can do it. I hope you've learned something in this video. If this did help, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. I also have full online classes and tutorials over on the Patreon, so go ahead and check them out. Stay up to date on all of my socials, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.